our topic is scientific management developed by F.W. Taylor. F.W. Taylor. This topic is related to class 12 from business study. So the topic is scientific management developed by F.W. Taylor. So background and history of F.W. Taylor. You can see the picture of F.W. Taylor. F.W. Taylor was born in 1856. In which year? 1856 in USA. USA, United States of America. In 1878, he joined Midwell Steel Company as a mechanical engineer. In which year he has joined? 1878. Mechanical engineer. Using his engineering background, Taylor set out scientific studies. Taylor set out scientific studies and techniques. He was primarily concerned about the efficiency of workers. He was primarily concerned about the efficiency of workers and optimum utilization of resources. Optimum utilization of resources. And the Taylor's principle and techniques were based on the observations he conducted in factories where methods of production lacked planning and working methods were haphazard. Haphazard means disorganized. Disorganized. So this is the background and history of F.W. Taylor. Now, contribution of Taylor. F.W. Taylor became famous as a father of scientific management. Father of scientific management. His main contribution which made him so popular were: number 1, Taylor published books and research papers explaining the scientific views on industrial organizations and management. So F.W. Taylor is very famous as a father of scientific management, and his main contribution which were made so popular: number 1, Taylor published books and research papers explaining his scientific view on industrial organizations and management. And number 2, his major contribution was publishing of shop management, SHOP, shop management, piece rate system and principles of scientific management. His main contribution: first, shop management; second, piece rate system and principle of scientific management. His emphasized on adoption of scientific methods to problems of management. Number 3, what's his contribution? He emphasized on adoption of scientific methods to the problems of management. Now, what is the meaning of scientific management? What is scientific management? So scientific management can be defined as application of science for each and every element of management. It is a very important definition. Application of science, applications for uses of science for each and every element of management. In general language, it means apply scientific tools, methods and trained personnel in order to increase the output. In general way, we can say scientific management, scientific tools, methods, and trained personnel in order to increase the output for result. Scientific management insists on replacement. Scientific management insists on replacement. Generally, it's focus on replacement of role of thumb by science. That means decisions in the organization should not be taken on the basis of wills and wishes of manager, but decisions must be based on scientific studies conducted by using scientific tools. So this is the meaning of scientific management. Scientific management means we can do work but not a normal way, in a scientific way. In a scientific way, application of science, not in a general way. We can complete our work, we can do work with the help of scientific way, in a scientific tools, methods, and trained personnel in order to increase the output. Now some definitions given by author. Number 1, scientific management. Scientific management means knowing exactly what you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. This line has given by F.W. Taylor, scientist, F.W. Taylor or scholar. Scientific management means knowing exact what do you want men to do and seeing what they do it in the best and cheapest way. Next, it is the art and science of preparing, organizing, and directing human efforts applied to control the forces and utilize the materials of nature for the benefits of man. This statement has given by Associations of Mechanical Engineers USA. This statement has given by Association of Mechanical Engineers USA. So it is the art and science of preparing, organizing, directing human efforts applied to control the forces. What are the forces applied? We control and utilize the materials for nature for the benefits of men. And the last one is given by Peter F. Drucker. It is the operational study of work. The analysis of work into its simplest element and the systematic improvement of the worker's performance of each element. So this statement has given by the scholar Peter F. Drucker. Peter F. Drucker is telling it is the operational study of work. It is the operational study of work, the analysis of work into its simplest element and the systematic improvement of the workers performance of each element. So this is the definition, this is the meaning, and this is the background and history of the F.W. Taylor. So okay, thanks for watching.